As I looked through photos of previous LTKcon award ceremonies, I realized that I was noticing the dress on the woman, but I couldn't remember the woman wearing the dress. The number one rule of simplified style is that you should always be the star of the show, not your outfit. Before we begin, just a reminder that you can shop through the QR code on the screen and also in the video description. And the second thing I want to point out before we get started, let me know where you're commenting from. I love seeing where everyone's watching from. As you know from a previous post, I was invited to LTKcon this year, and it's a great honor. Part of that is attending an awards ceremony that requires an elevated cocktail dress. And it reminded me of the number one rule of simplified style. You should always be the star of the show, not your outfit. And that's not to say that you can't dress elevated and sophisticated. But to do so, there's certain little tricks and tips. And number one is to keep the outfit to a neutral color. If this jumpsuit here were a brighter color, it would totally overwhelm and overpower me. But this muted neutral color allows me to enter the room before my outfit. This dress right here is currently the front runner for my LTKcon dress. I was researching previous years to see what everyone wore and how elevated the dress was, how formal the dresses were. And it took me aback that I was always noticing the dress, and when I thought back on what I was researching, I noticed the dress, and on very few women did I notice the actual woman wearing the dress. And I think I could only remember one woman herself from what I'd researched. So again, one of the ways to make sure that you are the star of the show and not your outfit is to wear a neutral, muted color. For this dress here, it's silk. So silk is shiny, and if I combined shiny with a bright color, it would totally overwhelm and overpower me, and all people would notice is the dress. But the muted color allows me to shine through, not my dress. And I will go ahead and tell you that this outfit here is pushing the boundaries of elevated, simplified style. There is metallic thread in the sweater, and shiny satin slip skirt can combine to be very shiny and very overpowering. But again, I've stuck to a neutral color palette here with a neutral sweater and black skirt. So by muting the colors, it allows me to dress elevated while still letting my beauty shine through. And also notice that I'm not wearing any jewelry here. I think jewelry would definitely push this outfit over the top. So this is a bit of a flamboyant outfit, as some may say, with the wide-leg trousers and the elongated waistcoat or vest. But again, I've stuck to neutral colors here. No jewelry. You could wear minimal jewelry here. I thought perhaps a delicate necklace or a delicate bracelet. But the minimized accessories and neutral color palette bring this outfit, tone it down just a little bit so that I shine through rather than my outfit. The goal is for me to enter the room before my outfit. I very much love this outfit for summer, and it's easy to get over the top with suits in summer. But by keeping it to a monochromatic white, all white look, it just tones this look down a little bit. It gives it a very airy and fresh and breezy look for summer. And again, minimal accessories here. And here you have a very chic, very polished, elevated outfit for summer that is great for brunch, dinner, whatever you like. Light and breezy and airy. And